Hello, doTERRA Ohana. A very happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Whether you're wearing green or searching for a pot of gold, I hope you're feeling lucky today. Now, let's dive into some exciting updates for you. First up, have you checked out all the fantastic leadership retreat assets available on the DMK? If you haven't, head over to doTERRA.com/DMK and check out the Leadership Retreat 2025 section. You'll find leadership retreat presentations, resources, and so much more, all there to help you continue feeling inspired and empowered with incredible content. Now, speaking of leadership retreat, here is a quick, amazing recap video of powerful highlights from that event. Take a look.
Hey sister, don't worry about a thing that's weighing on your mind. The sun's going up, get ready for the shine. Everywhere that you turn, your future's looking bright. Hey sister, oh, hey brother, don't ever give up the dreams inside your head. Keep moving on up with every single breath, 'cause the world needs to see the you that's truly you. Hey brother, oh, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. I know, I know, I know, I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the best, oh the best is yet to come. Hey future, I believe we're heading for the day where the work that was done will finally make a way to the hope that we have for all. That's why we say, hey future, oh, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. I know, I know, I know, I feel it in my bones. Yeah, the best, oh the best is yet to come.
Wow, what an exciting event that was. The energy, the insights, it was truly amazing to see everyone come together. Now, before I go, I want to give you one last important reminder. The Boost Your Business promotion has been extended through the end of May. So if you haven't yet, now is the perfect time to take advantage of this incredible opportunity to grow and boost your business. Here's wishing you some extra luck this season. May your business grow as fast as that luck finds its way to you. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and as always, thank you for being a part of this life-changing journey with us. Aloha.